CES 2026 is coming in hot, and a lot of the best parts are already out in the open. The reason this one feels bigger than a normal CES cycle comes down to one thing. The show is getting dominated by systems that actually do work in the physical world. Robots, on-device AI, sensing, autonomy, and the compute stack that powers all of it. And there's enough confirmed and teased material in the last few weeks to build a full video that feels packed, not padded. Alright, so let's start with this. Hyundai Motor Group has confirmed that it will unveil its AI robotics strategy at CES 2026. They've scheduled a dedicated Hyundai Media Day on January 5th in Las Vegas, running from 1 to 1:45 p.m. Pacific Time. According to Hyundai, this presentation will focus on human-robot collaboration, manufacturing innovation, and how robotics fits into the group's broader production and logistics systems. Hyundai has said this strategy ties directly into its group value network and its software-defined factory approach. That includes how robots are developed, trained, deployed, updated, and managed across different environments. They've also confirmed that the presentation will be live streamed and that the CES show floor experience will continue from January 6th through 9th at the Las Vegas Convention Center. As part of the same CES presence, Hyundai has confirmed that Boston Dynamics will publicly debut the next-generation Atlas robot at CES for the first time. This is the first time the new Atlas is being shown on a public stage. Hyundai has said Atlas will be featured during the Media Day presentation and also demonstrated on the show floor. In addition to Atlas, Hyundai has confirmed that live demonstrations will also include Spot and Mob ED. According to Hyundai, the booth will feature interactive scenarios, a recreation of its robotics research environment, and hourly presentations explaining how these robots are used in real environments. MobED specifically is described as a compact mobility platform designed to carry sensors, equipment, or payloads across uneven terrain using AI-based navigation and perception. Next, moving from industrial robotics into the home. LG Electronics has announced that it will showcase its new home robot called CLOiD at CES 2026. CLOiD is built with 2 articulated arms, and each arm has multiple degrees of freedom. Each hand has 5 individually actuated fingers designed for object handling and manipulation. LG has said the robot includes a head module with a display, cameras, microphones, speakers, and additional sensors for navigation and interaction. CLOiD runs on LG's Affectionate Intelligence software layer, which is designed to support voice interaction, contextual awareness, and task execution. According to LG's announcement, CES 2026 will be the first public showcase of CLOiD. The company has positioned it as a home assistance robot capable of interacting with household objects, opening doors and cabinets, handling laundry items, and supporting basic daily tasks. LG has tied this showcase to its broader CES theme focused on home automation and assistance. Now moving into appliances and smart home systems, Samsung has a large presence centered around what it calls its AI living ecosystem. They're hosting a standalone exhibition space during the show, and they're also kicking off the week with the First Look 2026 event before the main show floor opens. One of the headline products is a new bespoke AI refrigerator family hub. This version includes upgraded AI vision features built using Google Gemini. It's the first time Gemini is being integrated into a refrigerator. The system uses internal cameras to recognize food items, track inventory, and support user-labeled containers. The AI vision system also expands recognition capabilities compared to previous generations. There's also a bespoke AI wine cellar. This system automatically scans wine bottles, tracks storage conditions, and organizes collections digitally. It's presented as part of the same AI ecosystem as the refrigerator and other kitchen appliances. Alongside that, there are newly designed AI-powered cooking appliances. This includes an over-the-range microwave and a slide-in range, both integrated into the AI-managed kitchen system. These appliances are designed to work together within the broader ecosystem rather than as standalone smart devices. Then there's the latest micro RGB television lineup. Micro RGB was introduced at earlier shows, and for 2026, the lineup expands with multiple screen sizes using updated micro RGB panels. LG is also bringing display technology. The company is debuting its first micro RGB televisions, and these sets use a new panel design capable of reaching refresh rates up to 240 Hz while maintaining a full RGB stripe structure. This is achieved using dynamic frequency and resolution technology, allowing users to switch between high resolution and high refresh rate modes. Multiple screen sizes are confirmed, including 75-inch, 86-inch, and 100-inch models. These TVs will be showcased publicly and positioned as part of the premium display lineup. Now, NVIDIA has a confirmed keynote on the schedule. The official CES listing shows CEO Jensen Huang delivering the presentation on January 5th. The event description says it will cover NVIDIA's latest work across AI, simulation, autonomy, and physical systems. Alongside the keynote, NVIDIA also has a broader presence planned across the show. That includes sessions, demonstrations, and CES Foundry programming focused on AI platforms, robotics workflows, and physical AI systems. While specific products haven't all been listed ahead of time, the scope of the presence is clearly laid out in the CTA schedule. Intel is bringing its Panther Lake processors to the show. These chips are part of the Core Ultra Series 3 lineup and are built on the 18 angstrom process. Intel has positioned Panther Lake around AI PCs, edge inference, and improved GPU performance. The launch is tied to CES press activities and centers on performance gains, power efficiency, and local AI workloads. The processors are intended for premium laptops and next-generation AI-enabled devices. AMD is also on the schedule with a keynote from CEO Lisa Su. The session is listed as part of the official programming. While product details haven't been fully outlined yet, the keynote is expected to cover upcoming processors and AI platforms. Moving into PCs and devices, Lenovo is hosting its Tech World event at the Sphere in Las Vegas during CES week. The company says the event will focus on AI-driven hardware and software systems and present its broader vision for smarter devices and platforms. Lenovo is also the parent company of Motorola. Motorola has sent out invitations teasing a book-style foldable smartphone expected to be revealed during the same week. The invite emphasizes an unfold theme, pointing toward a form factor different from its existing flip-style foldables. Now, moving back into robotics hardware and sensing, Paxini is debuting its tactile sensing platform. The system focuses on force and touch sensing for robotic manipulation. The hardware supports real-time grip feedback, force detection, and object interaction, with live demonstrations planned at its booth. Leopard Imaging is also showing robotics-focused hardware. The company will demonstrate humanoid-ready perception systems, including stereo and RGB IR camera setups designed for robotics and physical AI applications. These systems are built for low-light environments, motion handling, and real-time processing. All right, now, in consumer robotics, several companies already have CES appearances lined up. Roborock is listed as an official exhibitor and is expected to show its latest robot vacuum platforms during the show. The company typically uses CES to introduce updates around navigation, mapping, and cleaning systems. Aper is also present with its pool cleaning robot lineup. These systems focus on automated pool maintenance using AI-assisted navigation and cleaning routines. There are also a few additional consumer robotics debuts announced through press releases and CES media channels. Roboten is bringing its modular R2 Pro cleaning robot, which combines vacuuming, mopping, and carpet washing modules into a single system. Allobot has a booth planned for its AI-powered companion robot, described as a cyber pet designed for interaction and companionship. WI Robotics is appearing at CES unveiled with its assistive upper body robot, Alex. The company describes Alex as a system designed for mobility and physical assistance, with CES unveiled serving as its first global showcase. That's the list based on what's already been announced, teased, or scheduled so far. More details will likely come out closer to the show, but this is what's already on the table. So now, I'm curious what you think. Out of everything coming to CES 2026, which one feels like the real turning point? Not the demo, not the hype, the one that actually changes things. Drop it in the comments. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe for more stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.